Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Paragon bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paragon bank website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or security settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use iSork to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include SMS, email, or an authentication app. Choose one and follow the prompts to link it to your account. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After setting up your preferred method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code as prompted to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, 2FA will be active on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Paragon bank account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.